हाँ, मैंने पर्सनल डिटेल्स अपनी लाइफ की किसी के साथ शेयर करी।
तो हेलो गाइस, एक बार फिर से नाइजला ने आयशा खान और मुनावर के ऊपर रिएक्शन वीडियो बना दी है, जिसे देखकर पूरे सोशल मीडिया पर काफी ज्यादा बवाल मचा हुआ है। और वैसे गाइस, आपको पता ही होगा कि मुनावर फारूकी और आयशा खान के बीच बिग बॉस में जो फाइट हुई थी, उसके बीच में इन दोनों ने नाइजला का भी नाम लिया था। तो चलिए मैं आपको वो वीडियो दिखाता हूँ जिसमें नाइजला ने मुनावर और आयशा के ऊपर वीडियो बनाई है।
I know I said that I never wanted to talk about this again, but a lot has been going on, and a lot of random people, like everyone except me, has been talking about my side of the story on my behalf, which I don't appreciate at all. So if it's something about me, you guys should hear it from me, which is why I'm just gonna address this once and for all. Firstly, I don't agree with whatever's going on, but the matter is out of my hands and completely beyond my control. हाँ, मैंने पर्सनल डिटेल्स अपनी लाइफ की किसी के साथ शेयर करी, बट जब मैंने वो चीज़ें शेयर करी तो वो एक बहुत इमोशनली वल्नरेबल स्टेट में होकर शेयर करी, विदाउट नोइंग कि कुछ महीने बाद ये चीज़ नेशनल टेलीविजन पे आने वाली है। क्योंकि अगर मेरा इंटेंशन वही था, इफ दैट्स व्हाट आई वांटेड, so I would have done it myself, but I've declined all sorts of interviews. I've declined going on the show, and the reason behind this is only because I was trying to protect mine and somebody else's personal life from being used as entertainment or for TRP or any other reason as such. It's really unfair that my name is being dragged into a mess that I didn't sign up for, and in a place where I'm not there to defend myself. Secondly, I don't really appreciate some of the things that were said against me, which were not true. It doesn't make sense how that person can claim that they are scared of someone who is 10 years younger to them, especially when they were seen crying over the fact that they were going to lose me, and has said things like he wants to repair things with me and he knows somebody that would have never done something like this, and that is Nazala, me. And then the next week he very conveniently flips his story to defend himself and make me look like the bad person and make it look like he has been terrified of the fact that I'm going to make these things public, when he himself said a week ago that he knows I wouldn't do something like this. So the whole thing just doesn't add up. I'm sure that all of you all have been in relationships, and as you all know कि relationships में झगड़े होते हैं, and वैसे तो even I can use a lot of things against him, which I'm not going to, especially not in his absence. But he didn't hesitate even once before putting everything on me, and especially mentioning things which are not true at all. अगर मैं खुद को डिफेंड करने जाऊँ तो मुझे पता है 10 चीज़ें और बाहर निकल जाएंगी, and I know that he won't be able to defend those things, so that's why I don't want to stretch this anymore. मुझे अपने फ़ायदे के लिए किसी और का नुकसान नहीं करना है, but it's really tough being betrayed from both sides already, and on top of that having to hear abuses from everybody online. I'm going to mention this once again, that I want nothing to do with these two people. Please don't join my name with theirs. If you think that I am doing something for fame or attention, then please unfollow me and don't give me that attention at all. I'd be more than happy, because I don't want this kind of attention at all. I just wanted to say thank you to everyone who has been showing love and who has been saying sweet things. It really means a lot. And to everyone who has been abusing me, hating on me, I hope that you never have to go through something like this, and that nobody in your family ever has to go through something like this or hear things like this. I know that I know the truth, and he also knows the truth, and Allah knows the truth, and that's all I care about. I cannot justify myself to everybody. It's already very draining mentally to go through this in real and online as well, but it's okay. This is the last of it. I just want to move ahead from this now and focus on the better and positive things in life. So yeah, that's it, and let's just continue doing that.
तो यहाँ पर दोस्तों इस पूरी कंट्रोवर्सी